Doble ang nagawa pa nga this time ng PNP. Kanina ang Navy, 8 na naman ang nagawa nilang attack points in this second set. Ang PNP naman, 14 kanina, ngayon 16 na, nadagdagan pa. And they have 2 block points and 2 service points. So, ang nalimit pa ng Navy dito, yung kanilang errors, which is really good. It's a good sign. Pero hindi lang enough yun eh. Hindi siguro enough to win them a set. So, kailangan ngayon, dagdagan pa ang atake, dagdagan pa yung siguro sipag sa block. At yung coverage na sinasabi ni Coach Nene, dahil nandun naman yung block eh.
Yes.
They're able to slow down the ball or deflect the ball. Pero yung support after the block, yun ang nagkukulang.
That's right. Alam mo, kailangan ulitin natin. Kasi sometimes, it's like, diba, when your parents tell the kids, ulit ng ulit, yung going back to the basics. That's what Navy should do eh.
That's right. Jesu Tusada with that point. Yung dalawang libero natin, Tadeo with 7 digs, si Kais with 2.
Well, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Well, so far, Rosales, 7 points. Ito nga hindi nila masyadong binubumpog-puntahan doon sa atake. Samantalang ang taas ng porsyento. Itong si Laborte with 6, Prochina with 3, Susan and Cruzada with 1 each. Sa kabila naman itong si Marciano, 13 na. Molina with 9, Patchery with 10, and Dave with 5.
Laborte. Ace!
Si Coach Bob, mukhang ito na, iniisa-isa niya nang ipasok yung mga iba pa niyang mga players.
That's right, and Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Like you have Ogana now.
Oh, close miscue, Sangwang. Molina. Oh! May collision, no, sa PNP. Sa Rafica, Kitero Sale.
Dapat ginawa ng police report yun.
Oh, you can see Rosale using her smarts there. And tip for the point. And alam mo, ito yung pinakamagandang start ng Navy so far. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
At kailangan nilang hawakan to and sustain the momentum and the energy kung gusto pa nilang maglaro.
Yes.
Ng 4th and 5th set.
At alam natin gusto pa nila maglaro.
Well, imagine, you just have to win this game to go to the next level, to the quarterfinals. Isang laro lang.
Oo. Sangwang tipping it over to the line. And Ogana wins that joust at the net. Serafica, Prochina. Oh, good save by Sangwang. Turnaround shot.
Oo, 360 yun.
Turnaround shot.
Kanina niya pa gusto gawin yun. Finally, yun, with the tip.
Marciano. Prochina chases. Suson, pero free ball.
Ogana with that power tip.
Mia. Serafica. Cruzada. Good dig.
Sangmuang. Giving a free ball. Itong si Kite. Another long rally, friend.
Marciano back to Sangwang.
Sangmuang said, hindi na. Tama ng long.
Tama ng give chance to others. Kasi obviously si
Remio.
She's giving it to Mia, to Ogana, ito si Marciano, binigay kay Sangwang. Exclamation point. Molina.
Sa Tagalog, patay sunog, di ba?
Yes.
Pamatay sunog.
Good dig, Mia, back to Sangwang.
Someone still going to that cross-court hit.
But call stays for all. Molina with an ace. Well, Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Don't look now. PNP leading 5-4.
Ang ganda ng serve.
Oh!
Oh. The chauffeur, bumaba.
Oh. And Mikasa is official ball of the Shakey's B-League.
Oh. Si Samuang nagtago doon.
Well, 5 serving 6 right now. Cruzada. Good serve.
Oh, that's going to go over. And violation against Rosale. Overreaching violation. Nakialam.
Oo. Gusto mang bully.
Ay, ito na. Nagawa na niya.
Bumawi. Because Sangmuang is 20, there's no number 20.
Oo, kaya walang ano bang tawag mo dyan, yung wooden.
Wooden numbers. Ogana. Rochina. Serafica. Back to Rosale. Castro was there. Oh!
That's what I was telling you a while ago. Yung vertical leap, ang dami niyang nagagawa dun sa talent niyang yan eh. Diba?
That's right. And she gives PNP the lead 8-6.